Welcome, in front of me is DELL XPS 13, and in this video I will show you how to check manufacturing date of your device. So you can find manufacturing date of your laptop on the bottom cover of your device. Slightly pull the lid with XPS logo, and here you'll be able to find the manufacture year, which is 2018. Now, if you want to know the more specific date, then write down your service tag, which you can see right here, and then open up a browser on your laptop and look for DELL support. Let me show you. So first open the browser and then check the DELL support. Open this page. Right here, input your service tag, and once you do it, you'll see a page that looks like this. And by clicking on Pro Support, you'll see the ship date, and this is approximate date of manufacturing of your laptop. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you liked it, consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.